up, guys? It's like Match 360 here. Today I'm playing a game about squirrels. Squirrel stapler. Then I just play. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Up, down. Left, right. Oh. You good? Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I'm just gonna. I'll also cover her in squirrels of the wood. Okay, damn. Okay. Where am I going? This is a big ass house for no reason. Where the fuck am I meant to go? Oh, in 5 days, God is coming. Okay, I gotta. What's this? Oh, game froze. Oh, I have a gun. Hold on, buddy. That squirrel right here, I see. Come here, little squirrel. No, go there. I missed. Fuck, I missed. Back here. Come back here. Stop running. I have to reload. Shit. Me running. Stop running. Die. Oh, hi. That would hit you. What the fuck? I did see bullets over somewhere. Where was that? Where did I see those bullets at? I really went down with 5 bullets on the dream. That was it. What are you? What's that?
Real life's fake right, nigga. Bustin' love, safety come first, but for real, nigga, fuck a bell, bitch.
Mirror. Yeah, where you going? Oh, got the bitch. Oh, where you going? Got the bitch. Where are these squirrels? Oh, hi. You gave me, that was on you. You should have ran. Question mark. Wherever you went. I can see you. So what is this? Does this heal me? It does. Oh, where that squirrel go? Oh, that squirrel. Oh, I missed. That didn't mean anything. So, yeah, hello, little squirrel. Oh, fuck. You're done this time. Oh, miss. Fuck. Okay, okay. Where are the bullets be at? Where are these bullets at? Hello, squirrel.
No, don't do it!
Poison grass do not eat. Oh, the fucker must have eaten the poison grass. Thou shalt not staple squirrels. Okay, go to bed now. You are sleeping. How do you sleep with those flies? They're really not. They're very loud and obnoxious, just like me. That still say thou shalt not staple the squirrel. For the bushy tail, a righteous mother's side, chattering voice divine, which divine heard, which divine by no means. Thou shalt not staple squirrels. God is coming in 5 days. Oh no! God is coming in 5 days? Yeah, I must hunt big squirrels. Oh, that's 2 squirrels right here. Okay. 2 extra large squirrels. Oh, that's an extra large squirrel right here. What the fuck? He's coming to my house! I take fall damage. I can't even jump. Oh well. You'll never know. I probably saw them up here. I don't know what's up here. Oh, there's a big ass radio tower. With heels. And also bullets. What's in here? I don't read no law. You can go for yourself. These squirrels, question mark? Question mark? Bob. All hail the thing with Bob. one's right there. Yellow one's right there. Oh. Get him, I get the fucker. Oh my god, I got him. Did I get him? Did I get him? Let's go! Wait a second. What does this say? Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nut for the Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time. Well, for the faithless man has no nuts to store. Okay, is the big squirrel by any chance in my house? No, he isn't. You just get to fight. There's none out here hunting me. As I was saying, there's none out here hunting me. What are you lying for? Motherfucker. Put on big squirrels. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm kind of making sense. Ah, you bastard! Got him. Get back here. Got him. What are you? Oh, that's my what? Oh, hey, wife. I'm sleeping. House? No. Okay. That does, but there's something I don't know. Sin shit, it does sin shit stuff. Probably broke every fucking commandment and every sin. Probably broke the 7 deadly sins. I sure wonder how Russ would feel. Oh, okay. We can talk about this. Broken my ankles. Broke my ankles, boy. Ow, you bastard! I just fucking dealt with you! Please, have mercy on my soul. Gotcha, bitch. Broke ankles, boy. You got your ankle broken, boy. Alright, come back to a dead body. Said, are you a double squirrel by any chance? Fuck, I missed. fuck's sake.
Horny nigga detected.
Fuck. Ah, ow. It's fine. It's fine. I don't keep going out. Missed. Missed again. Bottom. Over there, over here. Bottom. Really? Word. Oh, you're not dead. Come. Unlock. Okay, I was an accident. Anyway, fucking bullets on you. Okay, 500. Isn't a lot, but it will do. Nah, multiple done its work. Committing sins. Yoink. I'll go screen. Fuck, I'm gonna work on it. I cannot aim for nothing about it. Just say no. You go. Oh, there you go. Oh, hi. What? What's that countdown? What's that countdown? What's that countdown? Where's my audio gone? Why is there a countdown? Why is there a fucking countdown? Guys? What, guys? Why is there a countdown? 1 minute, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, okay. I might as well go home, right? I don't have time to go home, right? Do I? Do I have to go home? So head home, go to bed. What's that noise? Thanks for letting me know I can read. I can read. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, I know he's got. I know. Okay. I'm going further away from home. What? He's not here. You're lying. He's not here. Okay, I lied. He is here.
I know that you like me. Kiss me with your eyes closed. Kiss me with your eyes closed. I know that's your favorite dress. Set fire to it. I know that you like me. Kiss me with your eyes closed.